Okay, hi guys, we're looking at page 165 in our textbooks. Keys to Learning, chapter 14, page 164. In this writing assignment, you're going to be writing about something that happened to you. We call this a personal narrative. Personal because it's about you, and narrative because it's a story. You're telling a story, you're narrating a story. Let's look at this example. When I was 7 years old, I rode my bicycle every day. I rode in the park and on the street in every kind of weather. One day I was riding with my friend Carlos. We were going fast. I was talking to Carlos when a big dog jumped in front of my bike. I hit the brake hard and fell. My arm was hurting. A woman came over to help me. Carlos said, "He almost hit that dog." She said, "Yes, I know. The dog is mine." Then the woman called my mom. My mom came and took me to the hospital. My arm was in a cast for 6 weeks. And you can see that there's several vocabulary words from unit 14 or chapter 14, weather. Okay. We also have all of these ing verbs. I was writing, was talking, was hurting. Okay. Also notice the talking. He almost hit that dog, Carlos said. Okay. And you can see right here the quotation marks. Those are called quotation marks. I'm going to write that here, quotation marks. That's one thing that's nice to do in a personal narrative is to have words that you say and that someone's saying to you, a conversation. And you can show that you're having a conversation by using quotation marks, which are these guys. Quotation marks. Okay, so as you think about something that happened to you, think about when it happened. In our story, our example, it was when the writer was 7 years old. Okay. And it happened on one day when he was riding with his friend. So when did it happen? Where did it happen? Where? So here we have in the park. Okay, where? And how did it happen? How? So first of all, what is the it that happened? The it was, this story is about how he broke his arm. Okay, how did it happen? There was a big dog. He was riding his bike. Okay. So you are going to think about something you can write about from your life, a personal narrative. When did it happen? Where and how? And we're practicing was writing. Okay. Were. Okay, was and were with the ing verbs. And you can use the simple past tense to tell what actually happened. A big dog jumped in front of my bike. Use quotation marks around the exact words that a person says. All right, thank you.